So, ito na guys. Tapos na yung aking ginawa na mahay. So, hi guys! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas?
It's kuan. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-vlog. Just always upload ka ng kuan mini-vlog here in YouTube. Pero ngayon, it's Christmas. So, iba-vlog namin kung ano yung usual na Christmas dito sa Germany. So, sa amin lang naman na pamilya, dahil meron namang iba't ibang tradisyon yung ibang mga German people. But sa amin is, our tradition is we will be cooking chicken. No, bird.
Chicken, turkey.
We will be having a turkey. So, yan yung gagawin ngayon ni asawa. We have a very big turkey. So,
3.4
that is that is his tradition. Na every Pasko talaga is nagluluto sila ng turkey together with some other foods na inihahanda sa table.
So I prepare first the filling of the turkey. Mandarin, onion, apple, and garlic, and I need to go in the garden to get some rosemary.
Meron din pala akong lulutuin na dessert mamaya. So, magluto ako ng maha blanca. Meron akong milk. Tapos, yung ibang ingredients is nandun pa. Tapos, magagawa din pala ako ng, what do you call that? Fruit salad na may young coconut. So, di ba masarap yung fruit salad na may niyog? So, dito kasi is walang fresh na mga niyog. So, nakita ko ito. Meron palang nakakan na fresh. Hindi fresh. Young coconut meat and syrup. First time ko itong matry. So, itry ko siya kung masarap ba siya. Hello, Ethan. Well, hello, Ethan. Cheese. So, ipakita ko din pala sa inyo yung aming Christmas tree. So, dito sa Germany, usually yung mga Christmas tree nila is mga tunay talaga na mga pine tree. Pero kami, we just buy yung artificial plastic na Christmas tree dahil maaga kaming naglagay ng Christmas tree. Kapag kasi maaga siyang i-harvest, yung tunay na Christmas tree is nalalaglag yung mga dahon. Pagdating ng Pasko is wala ng mga dahon. Kaya usually dito, naglalagay sila ng mga Christmas tree at nagde-decorate sila mga 3 to 4 days bago mag-Pasko. So, ipakita ko din sa inyo yung aming Christmas tree. So, ayan siya. So, super cute na aming Christmas tree. Ganyan lang. Dinekorasyonan ko lang ng mga ribbon. Tapos, itong mga regalo is, hindi yan sa amin lahat. Regalo yan sa aking mother-in-law, sa sister-in-law ko, sa mga pamangkin ni asawa dito sa Germany. And ito naman sa amin ito ngayon dumating. I-unbox natin yan mamaya. Hindi ko na ito papaabutin ng Pasko, mamaya. I-unbox ko na ito ngayon dahil kailangan ko yan siyang gamitin.
Fresh thyme from the garden. It grows there. We don't plant it. And rosemary. That's thyme.
And this is our rosemary. The one we planted.
Yeah.
And ang pinapakuha ko pala kay asawa, hindi garlic, onion chives. Onion, Frühlingszwiebeln, Frühlingszwiebeln.
Bring onion. Und dann nicht ganz aufgetaut.
Nicht aufgetaut. So it's our first time that we use pute, oder?
Yeah.
Pute is turkey. Last time, we always use kanang pato. What is pato? Duck. In German. But now, we decided that it's really, ang ginagamit talaga nila is turkey. Pero kasi, dahil last time, kami lang dalawa ni asawa, so, we just use, we just use duck. I don't know what happened to this child, but why he is on the floor sleeping. So, ayan, nilagay ni asawa yung apple. What do you put, shots? Apple o mandarin?
Apple, mandarin, onion,
garlic.
Spring onions, rosemary, and thyme.
So, a lot inside.
With pepper and salt.
Ayan. And then, put it in the oven for how many hours?
3 hours.
3 hours.
3 and a half.
Yan. Ano yung puta or turkey. Very big turkey. This is for Ethan, or?
Yeah, and where's my shirt?
Your
It will be inside. That's why you need to open that.
Hoy, anak! I-unbox ko pala itong isang package ngayon. Hindi ko na papaabutin mamaya yung ibang i-open na mga gift. Sabi ni asawa, hindi na daw niya ibalot. Sabi ko naman, bubuksan ko na lang din dahil gagamitin ko na ito. Ang bigat. Shit, it's so heavy.
Yeah, it's a vacuum.
So heavy. Hindi na makapaghintay. Woo! Heavy.
Why, you're a strong, independent woman.
Warum? Ouch.
But now we have also package for sending the present.
Wow! Ano pala ito? Dyson na vacuum. Hindi yung cordless, but yung may cord. Mas gusto ko kasi yung may cord. I throw it.
Cords have more power.
Have more power. Tapos, hindi ka palaging mag-charge. Ayan o. Ito yung mga pangalan yan. Yan o. At saka yung kailangan ko pala ito siya talaga dahil meron naman kaming isang vacuum na ganito. Kaso nasira na. Galing pa yun kay vacuum pa yun ni mother-in-law. So nasira nung nakaraang araw. It's just the same, or? It's
Newer. It's a modern.
Dyson Big Ball allergy to. Yay! New vacuum for mama. Oh. Yan. Box natin to. Oh, it's more heavier. Si asawa na pala yung pinaayos ko dahil kailangan pang i-connect yung ibang connection. Anong pangalan yan? Para magamit ko na siya.
I already get out the neck and the organs. And now some good braggot.
At of course, meron ding red cabbage. Root
with
call.
apple and
With apple. Yeah, kailangan yan siya dahil yan yung parang they are mixed together with the turkey. So guys, nakatulog pala ako dahil pinatulog ko si Ethan. Tapos nakaidlip na din ako. Ngayon, yung niluluto ni asawa is malapit nang matapos. Magluluto naman ako ng maha blanca. Meron na akong mga ingredients dito katulad nitong coconut at saka itong flour. So, hopefully, masarap ito. At magustuhan nila dahil first time ko din gumawa nito ngayon. Gumawa nito dito sa Germany. I need 400 ml. Tapos, ilagay na natin itong milk maiden. Condensed milk. Condensed milk? Cream?
Sweet
What is
condensed milk.
sweet condensed milk? Lagyan pala natin ito ng maliit na sugar. Kulang yung aking condensed milk. Tapos, ito yung gagamitin ko na mais or corn. Yan, nabili ko lang to sa grocery dito. Tapos, 1 cup of milk. Kulo na siya. Hindi ko pa nilagay yung aking cornstarch. Papaabutin ko pa ito ng mga 5 minutes. Ruren.
Oh, okay.
The king of Ruren is ba? Love Elias, she will pee already. Elias, did he pee already? Already started to coconut milk pudding. The one we eating in the, but it has just corn. The one we eating in the Asia store.
By the way,
It's so delicious. So ito na guys, tapos na yung aking ginawa na maha. Yung isa is niligyan ko ng grated cheese. Tapos itong isa is hindi ko nilagyan dahil ayaw ni asawa ng grated cheese. So natapos ko na din yung aking fruit salad. Maliit lang dahil ako lang din naman yung kakain yan. Dahil sa asawa hindi ko makain yan. Dahil very funny daw yung fruit salad ko. At saka si Alak, ayaw din niyang kumain ng fruit salad. Turkey's finished! Where we will put the turkey?
Here.
Okay. That is the hinten. Okay. Session. And, yan na yung aming turkey. Hindi na ako nagluto ng pansit dahil kami lang namang apat, tapos, ay tatlo. Kami lang namang tatlo, tapos, ang laki ng turkey. Tapos, yan yung pagkain ni asawa. Meron kami rice. Tapos, this is the red cabbage. Good appetit! Merry Christmas, Ethan! Warum?
Come to the Oh, wow!
Bulldozer! Genau! This is Dinah.
Ah, vielen Dank.
What is this? I saw it! Did you saw it there? This is for boxing.
That is really warm ski gloves.
Sneak gloves.
I hope they're not too big. They're too big, or?
5. Yeah, it's so
The
big.
smallest they have was 8.
Ah.
We need to,
Yeah.
we need to buy like this because it's always freezing hands.
Yeah, that is for the every
Bicycle.
time na nagbabike ako.
Because they really warm.
Oh, bulldozer!
But Papa would put batteries inside and then you can drive? Yeah. Okay. Vielen Dank.
One more for me. This is for me. It's a big package.
Just make strong unwrapping.
Ah! Very big backpack.
Again.
Dankeschön.
Dankeschön, aber?
Well, I can already go to the Philippines and have a backpack. And then, hatnok.
We even have for
Any British.
Zalando.
Do you already have that?
No.
This is my shank.
Anything for love, I would do anything for love, but I won't do that. No, I won't do that.